Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to connect Roku TV to Wi-Fi without a remote. Use app, mobile hotspot and HDMI hack. Method first, use a mobile hotspot. On phone A, change the hotspot name and password to watch your old Wi-Fi. Turn on the hotspot, then turn on your Roku TV and wait for it to connect to the hotspot. Connect phone B to the hotspot. Open the Roku app on phone B. Tap devices and select your Roku TV. Then tap remote, go to setting, then network, then setup connection. Select wireless and choose your new Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password and wait for the TV to connect. Turn off the hotspot and reconnect your phone to your home Wi-Fi. Second method is use an Ethernet cable. Connect an Ethernet cable from your router to your Roku TV. Then turn on the Roku TV. Wait for the TV to connect to the internet. Connect your phone to your home Wi-Fi. Then open the Roku app, tap devices and select your Roku TV. Then tap remote, go to settings, then network, then setup connection. Select wireless. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password. Then after the TV connects to Wi-Fi, unplug the Ethernet cable. Thanks for watching.